Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see the best coupon codes for CNFANS. Now there's coupon codes that you can use. You can also search coupon codes for CNFANS in your web browser to check out coupon codes that you like. For example, we're on this website, you can see some coupon codes. Now, first of all, they give a welcome bonus, which is a register and claim bonus, which means when you first register to CNFANS, you'll get this bonus discount, which is $129 worth of shipping coupons. They will be split into 14 coupons with minimum spending thresholds, except for 2x $2 off. So you'll get this once you register. So if you're a new user, only then you'll get it. And if you registered before, you might have gotten it when you first registered. If you already use it, you won't be able to get the discount. It'll only be for new users. There is another instant discount that you can use, and the code for that is Jade Ship. And that gives you a 15% discount. So this is a discount that you can use. This is a coupon which you can add, and you'll be able to use it for CNFANS. So these are the main coupons that CNFANS offer, with that being their register welcome bonus and that being their Jade Ship coupon code. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.